Hello, today we're here to repair this iron chair. We bought this SteelStik from Lowe's. We're not sure if it'll work, but we're going to give it a try. As you can see, this is falling off. We're wearing gloves to be safe. We're just going to wear some gloves to be safe. We're wearing gloves to be safe. These gloves are going to help us make sure that we're safe. We have this gray SteelStik. It says that it works for stainless steel, aluminum, iron, copper, brass, and bronze. And we're going to use it to repair this chair. Cap comes off like that. It's a stick like this. Just gotta cut off a piece and start mixing it. First we're gonna cut off a piece with this plastic on or without the plastic. I'm just gonna cut off a piece here. It says to use damp fingers, but we're wearing gloves, so we'll see how this works. So it comes off in a piece like this. There's dual colored. I'm just going to mix it until it becomes one color. And you want it to work quickly because it starts hardening 3 to 5 minutes after it's mixed. So it's about one uniform color. We're going to use a small piece on this right here to secure it together. How should we do this? It's a longer strip. Feels like kind of like gum. So right now it's kind of easily like moving around, but we're just going to try to hold it still for about 3 to 5 minutes because it says that that's how long it takes for it to harden. So just hold it in place and then it's going to start to harden, and within an hour it should be fully hardened. So it's probably easier to work with your fingers. So right now we're waiting for it to dry. As you can see, it's actually kind of holding up right now. This is actually really heavy. The iron is really heavy and it's actually holding up pretty well, I guess. So this kind of feels like gum, and it doesn't really look that great, but it's definitely going to be better than not having a handle at all. It's going to look kind of like that. It says you can remove some of the excess before it fully hardens, so I don't know if we're going to decide to do that. It feels kind of gum and it kind of smells bad. Just try to mold it as best as you can to the shape that you want it to dry in. So just continuously take it off. Doesn't look that bad. Okay, so right now it's been about an hour later. As you can see, it's really dark. So after an hour, it hardens to almost a actually a steel-like feel to it. Prior to the hardening, it felt kind of like a gum and sticky and like malleable, but now it's nice and hard. It sticks. You can hold it by the end and it's not going to fall off. Good as new. Okay, so we're back. This is part 2 of our chair repair. What we did now is just attach the arm back to the chair with a longer screw because it doesn't really hinge up. Got some water because we want to use damp fingers instead of using gloves to attach the steel stuff on. We decided that we're going to leave it a little bit further up here and then attach it like that. Okay, so we're back here and we're going to try to attach this arm right here to the chair. So first I cut a piece of this SteelStik and I'm going to need to mold it, mix it together. I damped my fingers. Kind of like a kneaded eraser if you ever use that in art. Just molding. Okay, so now we've got it kind of shaped to the shape we'd like, and just going to let it harden. We'll check back with it in about 3 to 5 minutes, and then again in 60 minutes. And it should be hard as steel. Okay, so we waited about an hour, and as you can see, it's pretty much hardened now, just as hard as steel. Stable, some good stuff. Recommend you to get it at Lowe's. It's called SteelStik. Use it for lots of different kinds of repairs. See this? Heavy, stable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when we post up new videos. Bye!